Hey guys, how's it going? It's Morgan here. Sorry if I'm talking a bit low. My throat's not feeling well. It's nearly 20 past. Sorry, that doesn't work. I'm talking really loud, like blah, like really loud. But so I didn't really have much to do. I did roll my PlayStation, but TV isn't plugged in. Well, it is plugged in. It's like broke turned down, like really loud. So, wait, are you missing wheels? I decided you're gonna laugh at me, I can't say it. Play with some Lego? Yeah, I know. At the moment, got a robbery car. And I got a penis. Sorry, if my cat knocks it, he should. I was just driving near the town with my Legos, a clown. I'm gonna have to like pretend it's up here. Meow, meow. I can't do that. Okay. Kids. Can you see that? Meow. No, you still can't. Can you? No. As I didn't have anything to do today, I literally thought I'd do this. It's not even right. You can't get me. I have a mustache. Ah, what the hell are you? So you disturb me from driving. Nobody disturbs me from driving. Bleh. I shall break the CCTV camera. Bleh. There was no CCTV camera until the morning. We know that the robber had gone near the police station, and he ended up sleeping in his car. The cops had a note in the command center yet. Oh, by the way, there's my pooty cat. My pooty cat. Damn, my pooty cat. Meow. I built all these without a manual. It was pretty sick. Pretty cool. Meow. I'm a shot man. Tomato. The name's Tomato. Wait, what? Oh, sorry about that. But why tomato in my land? This is Lego land. I'm afraid, Mater. I'm arresting you on suspicion coming in Legoland. But I was told to bring you some oil. Oh, you that guy? Oh, you're that guy. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Oh no, the robber is back again. think I'm doing? Oh, I'm so sorry. So at the moment, you guys, if you can't really see it, what's happened is mate has bumped into the robber. The police are trying to catch him. That's better. These are handcuffs. Lego handcuffs. So mates has just crashed into the robber. Meow. Sorry, and well, May kind of knew the police were looking for him, but they didn't know this was the guy. So the police are out. Police. Oh, sorry, I'm making the sound effects. You got a radio, everything you need. Oh, look what I built as well with it. It's got some handcuffs because it's a cop. A radio and a hand thing. No, you know the thing where like they stop people if they've been like drinking or something, drink driving. Yeah. Don't you dare jet. Sorry if my cat knocks it over. He's being a bit gay. Oh, stop right there. Ah. Oh no, they're everywhere. Are you one of them too? You can't back away now. Oh yes I can. Meow. But oh no my god, get the helicopter on him. Nim 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 nim. Ah. You're arrested on suspicion of murder. But wait, not murder. You're arrested for suspicion of robbing the bank. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. But I'll see you in the next Lego video. Leave a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. I can't be bothered to. Bye!